Welcome to the thriving city of Indianapolis, where diversity meets opportunity and a wide variety of experiences await. Let's explore why this cultural melting pot is not just a place to work, but a place to truly call home. Indianapolis is a place where unique perspectives flourish, fostering innovation and understanding. Here, you're not just a resident, you're a valued thread in the fabric of a rich and inclusive community. The beauty of Indianapolis lies in its variety of places to call home. Whether you seek the energy of downtown living, the tranquility of the suburbs, or the serenity of rural life, there's a place that perfectly fits your vision of home. And don't forget, Indiana boasts the gift of all 4 seasons, each bringing its own magic. Connectivity is at the heart of Indianapolis. Many residents enjoy a quick commute from some of the highest-rated suburbs in the country and easy access to the nation's #1 rated airport. Downtown Indianapolis is a vibrant, walkable hub, seamlessly connected to its surroundings through an extensive trail system, inviting you to explore every corner of the city. Dive into a world of activities that cater to every passion. Our expansive park system and waterways offer a retreat into nature. Feel the pulse of the city with iconic sports events like the Indy 500 and catch the Pacers and Colts at home games. Immerse yourself in the arts and culture, from soul-stirring music and world-class museums to the diverse food scene that satisfies every palate. At the heart of central Indiana lies the corporate center of Lilly, a global pharmaceutical leader. For nearly 150 years, Lilly has been intricately woven into the well-being and progress of the city. Lilly collaborates with the community, contributing to the flourishing arts and infrastructure initiatives that define Indianapolis and carry it into the future. As a growing company, Lilly has expanded on its downtown manufacturing sites to include nearby Lebanon, Indiana, adding more jobs and opportunities. Indianapolis is not just a city, it's a tapestry of experiences waiting to be woven into your story. Come be a part of this dynamic community where diversity, connectivity, and endless opportunities converge. This is more than a place to work. This is where you truly live. Welcome home.